Chris, this is a question for you. What toolchain have you used in developing with the STM32L1?
Okay. So when I started developing with ST Micro, there were a number of tool chains that they provided kind of a guide for. Embedded Workbench was one, True Studio was another, and they also provided the Quick Start Guide for Keel's Microvision 4. And that's the one that I settled on. Very happy with that decision. It took me probably an hour to find an example project for the board I was using that I could tweak and get started working on the project that I wanted to. And it has everything you would expect from a development environment. It has a project manager, it has the compilers you need, it has plenty of libraries, has a debugger built into it. And not only does it have example projects for dev kits from ST Micro, but many of the other major vendors as well for ARM products.
Ritesh, this is a question for you. What development tools does an engineer need to get started with a RX100 design?
So Cody, as Chris mentioned about STM32 toolchain, on RX, last year we made a very big company-wide push to offer or in fact launch our Eclipse-based IDE we call E2 Studio. And RX100 will also have the same toolchain based on E2 Studio. Underneath that, we do offer a compiler from Renesas as well as a compiler from IR and other third parties. And in fact, we are doing a pretty big joint promotion with IR where they start offering a 64K version of IR Workbench absolutely free. So user or developer, they do have multiple choices. And as Chris mentioned that he wanted and he was very happy about up and running this ST kit in an hour, I can guarantee you that when you take the RX kit, you will you'll get up and running the whole kit in less than an hour. And it also comes with multiple sample projects and application examples. It has a board which has a lot of features, and of course a CD with the compiler and also a debugger in the kit. So overall, it is pretty packed kit with entire toolchain inside.